So let me tell you about the Personal Property Securities Register.
Okay.
It's good for business in lots of ways. It lets you check that any used goods you buy, like a vehicle or plant and machinery, generally all forms of property other than land, building and fixtures, don't have a security interest over it. And it can help make secured financing more accessible, reduce transaction costs, and make lenders more willing to accept different kinds of personal property as a security for a loan.
So is this register something I should be using?
I think so. We need to look at how using the register can strengthen and help protect your business. For example, we can use the register to provide additional protection for businesses like yours that lease or supply goods in the event that a debtor defaults or goes bankrupt. Here. The PPSR can help all types of businesses. In the event of a customer's default or bankruptcy, the PPSR can save your clients from losing control of valuable assets, like goods supplied on a retention of title basis. Or it may allow your business clients, as borrowers, to use new forms of collateral to secure their loans. If you have a client buying a new business, they can check whether the vendor's assets are subject to prior security interests.
I think I should take a look at this website. I mean, there are obviously benefits. I didn't know that I could borrow funds using my store inventory as security. That could be a new opportunity for me to obtain working capital.
Yeah. It's important to talk about the PPSR, not just because it gives protection if customers default on paying for supplies. I know that Janet wants to expand by purchasing a competitor's business, and she needs to borrow extra funds at the best possible rate to do that. Her lender can take a registered security interest over her store inventory, which will enable her to borrow at a cheaper rate than using an unsecured loan. And, just as important, before she buys the new business, she can search on the PPSR to see if any of the assets are subject to a prior security interest.
The PPSR has replaced more than 70 different Commonwealth, state and territory acts and registers that your business clients may have previously relied on. To take maximum advantage of the protection of the PPSR, review your client's business activities and identify transactions which, by creating security interests, can be registered on the PPSR. Arrange to go through terms of trade and other key documents with your clients to make sure that their businesses are not exposed to unnecessary risks. Your knowledge of the PPSR, married to your understanding of your client's business, means greater protection and peace of mind. If you have clients who purchase or sell goods under retention of title arrangements, if you have clients who hire or lease goods or equipment to others, if you have clients who buy or sell used goods, if you have clients who may wish to borrow on a secured basis using stock or other personal property as collateral, make sure that you are up to date with PPSR